Google Tag Manager is used for managing and deploying marketing tags on a website without having to modify the code. This allows you to integrate easily with other marketing tools and platforms such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook, Hotjar, CRM platforms, and it allows you to track almost any kind of event or user behavior you can think of. While Tag Manager requires some technical knowledge, it saves marketers ton of time and resources and is free. In this video, I will show you how to create Google Tag Manager account for Shopify. First, you have to sign in your Gmail account and Shopify store. Then go to Google Tag Manager website and click on Create Account. Now enter account name. Then select country. Enter your website's URL. Now click on Web. Now click on Next. Now scroll down and select the checkbox. Then click on Yes. Now copy the code for head tag. Go to Shopify store. Click on Online Store. Click on three-dot option and click on Edit Code. Click on Theme Liquid. Now paste the code after opening head tag. Then click on Save. Then go to Google Tag Manager account and copy the code for body tag. Now go to Shopify store and paste this code after opening body tag. Now click on Save. Then go to Google Tag Manager account. Now enter your website's URL for checking. Now see, everything is okay. Now Google Tag Manager account is ready. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.